The following program is rated YTPGL for strong languages. It is intended for only parent guardian suggested audiences. Viewer discretion advised.
Alright, y'all, finally getting set up. Y'all won't believe what happened, but this will probably tell you everything you need to know. I forgot the damn pump. He actually stayed, watched my stuff while it was here, so I could go get my pump. Good looking out, man. Appreciate it. Hell yeah. Help me set the boat up, man, for real. So, we're going to get to it. I'm going to get the car put away. We're going to get out here finally. It's late as hell, but y'all know how it is. We don't have good fishing unless something bad happens. So I guess now it's time for the good stuff to happen. Let's get it, y'all. What's going on, y'all? Welcome back to another episode of Fishin' with Fresh. Y'all know who it is, your number one fisherman. We out here. I know y'all can probably see where I'm actually at. We out here in Long Beach, the LBC. Y'all know what it is, man. Out here by the island. It's nice. It's glass out here. Man, y'all know I can't put a video together without going through something, so I forgot the pump at home. I was messing with the boat last night. Something was wrong with the keel. I had a hole in there somehow. I think it was when I was cleaning it. I might have been a little too rough, and I might have put a hole like in the corner of it. Put some marine grade sealant right there. Patch it up. Solid. As hard as a rock.
No Diddy, for real.
So we're good to go. I'm gonna go ahead. Actually, I was gonna say I'm gonna go ahead and get strapped up, but I'm already strapped up, so I guess, hell, let's go ahead and get to fishing, y'all. All right. Got all 8 rods with me. If y'all fish with me, y'all know how I like to do it. I bring a lot of rods, because one thing I do not like, y'all, I do not like retime. I hate retime. I do. So, I mean, granted, I know I have to do it. Like, don't think like this gets me out of retime. It doesn't. It helps me not have to do it so much, but it does not really help me avoid it. Oh, sheesh. So what I'm doing right now is I'm just letting that underspin get all the way to the bottom. And as it gets all the way to the bottom, once it hits, start to crank it really slowly. You don't really need to crank it too fast. You got to remember their strike zone is pretty much at the bottom, like on the bottom. So every now and then you'll hear me click the bail open to kind of get it back down to the bottom. And that's just assuring that I constantly stay in their strike zone. So right now, pretty much just fishing structure, rocks, right? Rocks. Every now and then you'll see kind of like a little patch of kelp, and I'll fish that because usually if you can get some kelp, you usually got a sand bass or two, or sorry, calico bass. So it's pretty much, that's it. I got no fish finder. I got no fish finder today. It's just me and knowledge. And I'm just slow reeling it, letting it drag on the bottom. Fish on. Oh, he got off. He got off.
I can't f***ing do this anymore! That was seriously up.
And as you guys see, that's it. You just drag it right on the bottom and you get bit, but sometimes they get off. Now, gonna try that major craft tail spin. Try that real quick. Fish on. Not bad. Go ahead. Get them off the hook real quick. First one of the day, y'all. Not a big one, but decent. Put up a good fight. Let's go ahead. Get a release on this guy. It's not big. Dude, I caught that guy on a leader knot. Look at that leader knot coming apart, guys. I'm gonna just retie it real quick. Calico. I told you. I ain't out in the kelp. Come on, y'all. I know what I'm talking about. I've been doing this for 15 years. Fish on. Yo, another one. The hookup bait. Little guy, not big at all. Little small guy. Let me get off this dock. It's a lot of fry right here, so maybe, I don't know, maybe he's protecting them. Could be, they could have just spawned. I have no idea. Honestly, I really don't know when spotted bay bass when they spawn, so figured it would probably be in colder water, but I don't know. But let's get a release on this guy. Alright y'all, what's going on? Welcome back to the Fresh Cap. Man, just want to talk to y'all about going out there to Long Beach. Was nice. Was a really good day. I went out a little too far and I did not expect for it to get as rocky as it did. So it was so glass in the morning that I just had this thought in my mind like, Joy, you can get out to the other island. So you have that closer island, I think it's Gruesome or whatever it is, I forget what it's called. And then the other one kind of over to the left. So I went ahead, Fished the first one, caught that spotted bay bass off of the Jigapara tail spinner off the Major Crafts. Man, those baits, they really work. It's honestly a shock a lot of times when I throw that bait and I don't get bit. It really is. Like, that bait really does work. Caught that one. It was still glass. I'm fishing, trying to go around the island. Got a few bites here and there, but, you know, nothing really crazy. Then I had missed that bite in the beginning, which I don't know how he wasn't on there, but I don't know. Then went over to the other island, was fishing, pretty much just a bunch of kelp around that island, and just was fishing that, throwing that war baits. I had the 3/8 war baits with the Z-Man. Of course, you know I'm using Calico Candy. They love it. They love that red, brown, anything red or brown they just love. So using that, throwing it through kelp, he picks it up. Thought he was bigger than what he was, because when he hit it, he hit it really hard. After I caught him, I'm kind of, you know, going around fishing, trying to fish the back, and I was basically going to go around and then come back. Well, when I got to the end of that island and I hit basically like the corner and I'm getting ready to come around the side, I mean, like, when it's like night and day difference, like, it was glass just 10-15 minutes ago. It is now rocky as hell. So I wound up making it back, made it back, caught the last fish, caught him off of a hookup baits, was using that hookup baits, just bouncing along. It was a lot of fry in the area, so I kept just basically throwing it in where the fry were, and once it hit all the way down to the bottom, eventually just got the bite. And you guys will see, like, I kind of put the camera in the water so you guys can, could see the fry that was down there and everything. But it was really, really crazy though. So the giveaway is going to go on for the video talking about the back deck of the boat. That video is going to be, or of course the video is going to be up, but that giveaway is going to run until we hit 600 subscribers. So once we hit 600 subscribers, I'm going to go ahead. We'll go ahead on the video, whatever video it'll be on. You guys will know what it is because you guys will see it in the title anyways. But it'll be announced. But we do have to announce the winner of the first giveaway. Again, I've been trying to give this reel away for so long. It seems like 2 months I've been trying to give this reel away. And y'all won't even take it. So hopefully this winner is going to be the guy that actually sends me a message and goes, hey, yeah, send it here. Like, so go ahead, DJ, man, drop the track. So shout out to Jeff Johnson, man. Shout out to him for winning the first giveaway. Now, we've had 3 winners of this giveaway. Are you going to be the special one that's going to wind up going ahead and sending me your information so I can send the reel over? Now, come on, man. I'm trying to give you this free reel. Please send your information over so I can go ahead and get this reel to you. Congratulations on winning the first giveaway. Man, I appreciate you subscribing. Everybody that watched this video, everybody that's been tuning into the channel, I really do appreciate you guys. This would not be able to happen if it wasn't for you guys. So, appreciate it. Appreciate you guys tuning in, subscribing. If you haven't already and this is your first time watching, please subscribe to the channel. Please, please. It is free. Don't cost you anything. Hit that bell so you get the notifications, man. Y'all know what it is. We're going to have some more videos coming out. Next video, y'all ain't going to want to miss it. It's a banger. So y'all ain't gonna want to miss this next video. Stick around, man. Appreciate y'all watching. Fresh out. I know you feeling it. See if I can get one more before I gotta go around this boat. fish on. Oh, good one. Oh.